For today's video, we have a pretty easy install that almost anybody can do. For the most part, all you need is a screwdriver. So for these cup holders that are integrated into the dash, they break really often. They're broken on my M3 and they're also broken on my 328i, as you can see here. Now, sometimes you can kind of fix the mechanism or even replace some of the mechanisms inside the cup holders, but mine are completely broken, so a full replacement is what's needed. Now, you can actually get these replacements for only around $20. I'll have the link in the description down below. The first step is to take a trim removal tool and wedge it in between the trim and the dash. Then you can kind of slide it and use your fingers to do the rest of the work. Now, this is a long piece of plastic, so definitely be really careful trying to pull it out so you don't break it. Now, once it is removed, you have 4 Phillips head screws holding in the cup holders. It's 2 for each cup holder. Once all 4 screws are removed, then you can simply take out the old cup holders and put the new cup holders in. The cup holder that's straight goes on the right side, and the cup holder that's curved goes on the left side closest to the driver. Now, once you do have it in, before you screw it in, make sure it's flush and go ahead and press it to make sure the cup holder works as well. After that, you can go ahead and install the trim. Now, I actually went ahead and bought new trim. It's only $20 and the trim gets scratched up really easily, and I thought it would look a lot better with brand new trim with my red dashboard. But once that, you are completely done with this install. It is really simple. I noticed a lot of my friends have broken cup holders in their car, and it's a very simple, cheap, and easy install to get those cup holders to work again. Now, if you did like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Everything is in the description down below. And all the mods you see on my car, from the red interior to the front dash to the Apple CarPlay and carbon fiber interior, I have videos on all of those on my YouTube channel. And enjoy your new cup holders. Peace, guys.